As you can see, we went from asking a question to having 6 different categories that we can now choose from. As taught earlier, the CURE methodology helped us to make sense of the large amounts of data that were suggested, gain consensus, and gave us some great feedback with regards to the problem we were trying to solve. Remember, the CURE methodology can be used in many different ways. This is only a starting point for you. Like Lean Strategies International LLC, as you use this method and gain more experience, you will find ways that you can innovate the tool. We only ask that you share your innovations and suggestions with others so that we can all improve every day. Now, let's talk through the entire process in our summary. To start, we decided we wanted to apply the CURE methodology to narrow down the seemingly impossible options for dinner. We first communicated the question, what do we want to have for dinner on Saturday night? We also made sure that everyone understood the question. Then we gave the team members time to understand or define their ideas. Remember to keep all ideas separate from one another. When time expired in the understanding phase, we then moved into reveal phase, where each participant came to the front and shared each of their stickies with the group. Remember that during this time, it is important to answer 2 questions. What is the idea? And why did I share the idea? After everyone's ideas have been revealed, evaluation can then begin. In the evaluate phase, team members group the ideas and then label each of the groups for further analysis or decision making. Remember, this is a high-level summary of the CURE methodology, but you can always return to the previous lectures and look at the details of each phase. In the next section, you will be challenged to go and use the CURE methodology. With that said, let's move on to the next lecture.